Everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am going to talk to you today about just a few products, really not many products that I've been using on my recession, on my hairline the past, I would say 4 years maybe. Some are new, but one is one that I've been using for years, and I really feel it has definitely helped with my hairline. Now, my issue is I have recession right here at my temples, which I think is a really common place, especially for women to get recession, but obviously men too get a lot of recession at their temples. My mom had horrible recession. I remember one time I took her to the hairdresser and she was laying back in the wash bowl, and you know how when your hair's all pulled back away from your face? I was horrified at the recession she had and the thought that that could be my scalp someday, because I have a lot of the hair characteristics that my mom had. So I decided probably about 5 years ago to be a little bit more proactive with my hair and try to put things on it that may help. And I really think what I'm using has helped. Now, I don't think there is any hair serum out there that you can put on your scalp area that is going to make it grow and thick. I think most of the hair serums are going to give you kind of like these little baby hairs. But what I have found is that even the baby hairs are great, because what they do is they give you shadowing. And the shadow is what makes it look like you have a thicker hairline. And that's what I found, because I've even been watching when I'm editing some of my videos. I'm like, wow, my hairline looks actually pretty good, even though I know it's not thick, but it's because of that shadowing from those little baby hairs that has given me that look of a thicker hairline. So let me show you some of the products that are older products that I'm using and some of the products that are brand new products that I will then eventually let you know in, several months how I feel about them. I really like to give these products at least 6 months to a year to really know how they're going to affect my hair. And I think that's probably a reasonable amount of time to test things out. So let's get started. The first product I've been using on my hair for years, and I really feel is the product that's given me my little bit of hairline. And again, it is not a major drastic improvement. It's just enough of an improvement that camouflages the hairline area and makes it look like I have a thicker head of hair. First of all, my hair in general, my overall hair itself, what I have found that has really helped is I take a lot of collagen peptides in the morning in my coffee. I take every morning a giant scoop, Vital Proteins, collagen peptides, 20 grams of collagen per serving, paleo, keto friendly, grass-fed, pasture-raised, unflavored dietary supplement. Over many years of use, I really feel that that has made an improvement in the overall kind of health and improvement of my hair, maybe even a little bit of the thickness of my hair, but in general, it definitely, I feel, has helped my hair. Secondly, what I have been using on my temple area for years is this, and this is a product called Collective Laboratories Activating Serum. It contains ginseng and biotin. This actually is a revitalizing serum. It says to use daily, but really I only use this about 3 times a week. And it's going to treat your scalp with amino acids, with minerals, with botanicals, and it's supposed to help rebalance the oil levels in your scalp and maintain healthy hair growth. Some of the things that it says it does is it stimulates the follicles to promote and maintain healthy hair. It also fortifies the strands of your hair. I'm reading right here everything it says. It fortifies the strands of hair and prevents hair breakage. It achieves balance by controlling dandruff. I don't have dandruff. I don't think I have excessive oil either, because I live in a dry climate that can interfere with hair growth. And all it is a little dropper, and I put it on my little temple area to help with in kind of growing out my baby hairs. And I found that this actually did help. And they say the issues that it works for are androgenic alopecia, male pattern hair loss, female pattern hair loss, which is what I think I have, telogen aloophium, I don't know what that is. I may put it down here. Postpartum hair loss, that's been a long time ago for me. And Hashimoto's disease, which I also have, which is hypothyroidism, which is an autoimmune condition. Love, love, love this. It definitely has helped with my hair growth in kind of my temple baby hair area. And I also put it right down my part. Those are the areas that I like to use it. The other thing I think has also improved my hair is a scrubbing massager. I got mine off of Amazon. It's just called a scalp scrubber for the shower. Mine is from a company called Max Soft, but you can find these all over the internet, especially on Amazon. They're not that expensive. And what I do is I, apply my shampoo and then I use this, and I like that it has this little thing on the back. It's easy to grab, and it's kind of made out of silicone. So these little teeth on it are not painful. They're not really hard plastic. They're just silicone. And I use this all over my scalp every time I wash my hair. And I have found, I think this really helps open up the hair follicles and help with my scalp health and removing any dead skin cells that might be on my scalp and might prevent hair follicles from growing out. It basically almost is like an exfoliator for your scalp. It helps to clean the scalp, and it helps to remove excess dead skin cells that you have on your scalp. Plus, it also feels really nice. And two of the things that I've been using that I really like that are kind of new for me are this. I think I will purchase this. I got this as a sample, and I really do like it. It's from Briogeo, and it's their Scalp Revival. It's a charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. I really like this. It comes out and it does look kind of charcoaly. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. I don't want to waste it because I don't have much left in this. Let's see if I can get it just to peek out. Oh, it came up too much. Okay. It's charcoal. It does have little exfoliating crystals in it. And I kind of like Briogeo, even though I don't have a lot of their products. But I definitely think I'm going to get the larger size of this. It says this is a creamy micro exfoliating scalp shampoo. It contains coconut-derived cleansers and plant-based exfoliators to help gently remove dead skin cells. Another thing that helps remove dead skin cells from your scalp. That's just my dog hacking a little bit over there. It is a nutrient blend of coconut oil, panthenol, and tea tree oil to moisturize the scalp while helping soothe dry scalp itchiness. I don't have an itchy scalp. Deep cleansing, charcoal, aids in, this is really tiny print, you're going to have to excuse me, aids in absorbing impurities to help cleanse dead skin cells off your scalp and any product buildup. Obviously, any kind of stuff you put on your hair, styling products. Like this, definitely will repurchase this. And then last but not least, a brand new product that was sent to me to test out from Saturday Skin that so far I've been liking, and I'm actually going to let you know a little bit more about it when I use it for a longer period of time. I'm going to show you me putting this on my scalp and how I do it. This is a scalp and hair strengthening peptide treatment. I actually think this might be a brand new product for Saturday Skin. I don't think this has been on the market that long. It says it is a lightweight concentrated scalp and hair treatment that will gently exfoliate and nourish the scalp for visibly healthier, fuller looking hair. It contains salicylic acid that's going to cleanse and exfoliate your scalp with a blend, which I think is great, of niacinamide, caffeine, beer yeast extract, I don't know exactly what that does, and peptides to nourish and refresh your scalp, improving hair's volume, softness, and overall appearance. Very easy to use. All I do is wash my hair with my regular shampoo, and then I towel dry it. I kind of part it the way I'm going to part it. And then I take a few drops of this and apply it in the areas that bother me, like along my scalp line here, along my hairline, all along the areas of recession. Those are the only areas that I use this. I just started using it. It says it has 7 peptides. I don't know if you can see that on my iPhone. 7 peptides peptides. It says our proprietary 7-peptide mix found in all our formulas to refresh and reveal your everyday glow. So this is, I think, a new product from Saturday Skin. I think this is the only product that I know of that they use on the hair, scalp area. And it's called Scalp Plus Hair Strengthening Peptide Treatment. I'm going to leave a link for all the things I showed in this video down in the description box. Now I'm just doing a little comparison from 6 months ago, and you can see while it's not super thick growth I've gotten, I have gotten more growth in my temple area to add the shading to it, so it actually looks like I have more hair. This has been over a 6-month time period. I am getting a lot of baby fine hairs, but I will take those because it really does seem to help the appearance of my hairline. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the hair products I use on my scalp. I don't think there's anything out there right now that really will give you a full head of hair. I just don't think it's going to happen. And I think most of these products are great. Things like the scalp scrubber are good for your hairline area. And even the charcoal from Briogeo and the drops from Saturday Skin are also good to rub, all in your scalp. The Collective Laboratories product really is more of a targeted product because it is $35 for this little container. And obviously, if you have, alopecia all over your head, you're not going to attempt to put this all over your head. You may be better off with minoxidil or something like that. I wanted to show you all my stuff, including my Vital Proteins collagen. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.